Did you know that a lot of modern Martins have a quarter 20 bolt in the neck hiding underneath the nameplate? Well, now you do. The bolts are made of brass, and sometimes they can come loose and cause the heel of the neck to lift, which makes your action way higher than it should be. To access the bolt, you need to remove the Martin nameplate, and using a bridge plate removal tool I made with my dad years ago, I was able to get that done quickly and effectively. I remember cutting and grinding a trowel down, bending a piece of steel and brazing them together, and grinding the edge thin so it would be able to slip under even the snuggest of bridge plates. It proved to work perfectly on this Martin nameplate as well, which is stuck on there a lot more securely than you'd expect. Come to find out, this Martin didn't even have a bolt. I've heard conflicting reports about how often Martin leaves these bolts installed on their guitars, or removes them before they leave the factory. But either way, putting a bolt in here and socking it down will take care of that lifting neck heel. You may need to experiment a bit with the length of the bolt. In this case, I used a stainless 1 1/4 inch bolt. Any longer, and the plate wouldn't be able to press back on. My only regret in hindsight is not using a star washer to secure the bolt against any accidental loosening in the future. I double stick taped the nameplate back on, and we're good to go. My friend Steve is a bit more considerate of future repair people and puts the nameplate back on with Velcro, which is a much better option if you're feeling philanthropic enough. I also remember him answering the door when I came over one time, and he had the Martin nameplate from my Martin D12X1 attached to his forehead with leftover automotive adhesive. This is the overall best option for such a repair, but is best left to veteran guitar techs due to the difficulty involved in the technique. Either way, my friend Anthony, who gigs regularly with this guitar and beats and abuses it prolifically on stage, will certainly appreciate the tremendous added stability. The neck will be solid as a rock now, and then some. So next time you see a modern Martin with a loose neck heel, remove that nameplate and see what's going on under there. Also be sure to click that like button and stay tuned to see what's going on next, right here at Guitar MD.